Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. Today, we're exploring how to create custom menu items for the client portal items in Desk Director. Start by navigating to Admin Portal, then Menu Items, and then New Menu Item. Here, you'll specify the menu item's name and select an icon. Choose from a variety of icons or search for a specific one using the material icon set. Next, select the type of menu item. An extension menu lets you embed a static or dynamic website directly into the client portal, offering endless flexibility. Just input the extension site's URL. For financial functions, opt for the Connect Booster menu to integrate invoice and payment features. Simply provide the Connect Booster site URL, ideal for users with invoice permissions. Want to include notes? The OneNote Notebook menu allows you to embed a notebook. Select from existing notebooks or create a new one within the Desk Director portal. Lastly, the Bigger Brains menu item showcases educational content. Choose which courses to display, but remember, Bigger Brains products are paid add-ons. That's all for today's 1 Minute Wednesday. Thank you for watching. Start creating custom menu items today and unlock new possibilities in your Desk Director portal.